How to finalize your divorce quickly in San Diego County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce in San Diego County, you may be wondering how to get through the process as fast as possible without unnecessary delays, rejections, or court dates. The good news is, if your case is amicable and you follow the right steps, you can finalize your divorce efficiently and with minimal stress. I'll walk you through exactly how to finalize your divorce quickly in San Diego County. The most important thing to understand is California's mandatory 6-month waiting period. Your divorce can't be finalized any sooner than 6 months after your spouse is served or signs a notice and acknowledgement of receipt. But that doesn't mean you have to wait 6 months to start working on your paperwork. In fact, the key to finalizing your divorce fast is to complete everything else, filings, disclosures, and agreements, well before the 6-month mark. We help our clients prepare and file their initial paperwork electronically, usually within 24 hours of hiring us. From there, we immediately take care of service, then assist with the mandatory financial disclosures. Once both parties complete that step, we draft a marital settlement agreement and the final judgment package. Our goal is to have everything submitted to the court long before the 6-month waiting period ends. We recently helped a San Diego couple file their divorce, complete all forms, and submit their judgment in just 3 weeks. The court approved it shortly after the 6-month window opened, making their divorce final as fast as legally allowed. The key was doing everything early and correctly. The biggest delays we see come from mistakes in the paperwork, incomplete disclosures, or trying to DIY without fully understanding what the court requires. Every rejected filing adds weeks or even months to the process. That's why working with a professional who knows exactly how San Diego County courts operate makes all the difference. At Divorce 661, we specialize in fast, uncontested divorce cases throughout California. We take care of everything, so you don't have to guess, stress, or risk unnecessary delays. Our clients never have to step foot in court, and we make sure every step is handled correctly the first time. If you're ready to get your divorce finalized quickly and want expert help to make it happen, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll guide you from start to finish and make sure your divorce is done right and done fast.